in this music industry, you can make a lot of money real quick, and you can run through a lot of money real quick. You know, and so my whole thing was I always listened to OGs. I've always been a student of the game, so the OGs used to tell me back when I was a little young mustache, you know, hey man, you know, get you a house, own a piece of the earth. You know what I'm saying? So my whole thing is, no matter how much it could be a fixer-upper, it could be whatever. It don't have to be no mansion. You know what I mean? And none of that. You know what I mean? As long as you just got some property, it could be, you understand me, just a lot, an empty lot. You understand me, that you plan on building on, you know, once you run across a few extra dollars. You know, but get that before you buy an $85,000 car. So that's where that come from, you know, instead of buying an $85,000 car, get you a house, man, first. And we all learned together, you know what I'm saying? Him and the JT bigger figures of the world and stuff like that. We all come up under the same little umbrella and whatnot. P went out there and got that South, man. He went to the sticks where it was untapped territory, man, and got them boys. There was so many talented people out there and got them to get on that down South hustlers, and you know what I'm talking about. He did that bout it and the ice cream man, and he blew, man. The man did his thing, so you can't knock a man's hustle. So I want to shout him out for that. You know what I'm saying? And you know,
was the independent thing in the Bay Area?
He got that from the Bay.
He got it from the Bay. He definitely got it from the Bay.
Yeah.
And he I don't think he had any problem saying he did.
Nah, most definitely.
But he also you understand me, was a innovator in it too as well, because he took it to bigger heights. God got levels where he blesses you. So you know, you just got to know when you're blessed. You know, some people he might have, you know, 200-300 million. Some people might be 500,000. Some 30,000 might be rich to a hood guy.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So you just never know. So you just got to just keep moving, man, and don't hate. You know what I'm saying? Don't never hate, man, because it'll come back on you.